How to make passive income online in 2022. In this video, we will show you 10 ways to make passive income online, all strategies that are great to execute in the year 2022. Fast track your wealth and get more life-changing, mindset-shifting, and great content regularly, only here at WealthMatic. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more money content by clicking the icon below. Making money online has become so easy. All you need is an internet-connected computer or phone. And in this video, I will tell you 10 platforms where you can start generating some extra money. The best thing is that you don't have to give up your day job. You may earn this amount of cash in your spare time. And there are 2 separate ways to make money online. The first source is active income. Active income is similar to a traditional 9-to-5 employment in that you are only paid for the tasks you do. You can't get rich if you don't work. It's literally as simple as that. The second method is to earn money passively. With passive income, you put in the work for a short period of time only, and the cash should flow in without any additional effort soon after. And without further ado, let's get started with the video. The number 1 marketplace for buying and selling internet companies is called Flippa.com. It has a large readership and excellent options for increasing visibility. It's a digital asset auction platform similar to eBay for individuals selling and purchasing websites, applications, domains, Shopify business, and Amazon FBA accounts and other digital products. If you're skilled at creating applications or sites, you may sell them online and generate income. Also, this is a great place to buy a business that's already up and running. Who knows why someone may want to sell their businesses? Either way, this marketplace gives you a unique way to get started with a business for a small upfront cost and allows you to manage an already successful business. Next up, Upwork.com. Upwork is a freelancing website. Individuals and businesses offer services on Upwork that they would want to outsource. This includes article writing, video editing, app development, and coding. There are a plethora of tasks and activities that are outsourced on Upwork. The beauty of it all is that it's easy to get started on this platform. If you have a talent that you're strong at, such as web design or coding, or just about any other expertise, go to Upwork and begin earning money as easy as 1, 2, 3. Third, there's YouTube. You can actually generate substantial money on YouTube. This is something not many people are fully aware of. Make sure you have a firm understanding of one item, and that's because of the new rules. If you want to establish a new YouTube channel from scratch, you must first meet the YouTube minimum requirements to be paid. YouTube's monetization requirements need you to reach 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers before you can apply for their partner program. And then, you can start making money after you've achieved that point. Moving on, Shutterstock is ranked 4th. Shutterstock is a marketplace where you can purchase and sell digital assets such as photos, music, and video clips, which are mostly generated by freelancers and third parties. So if you're incredibly talented at shooting some stunning images and films, this is the place to be. Shutterstock is a place where you may make money with your skills. Anytime a person buys one of your photos from Shutterstock, you are paid a percentage, which can range from a few cents to a few dollars if you're fortunate. The key to generating tons of cash with Shutterstock is to post high-quality photographs regularly. Maintain a large catalog of HD photos and even videos to gain more traction. Number 5 is Rover. Do you enjoy pets, especially dogs? If so, then you must try out Rover. Rover is a pet sitting company. However, this is only accessible in North America and Canada at the moment. So if you reside in these 2 nations, you may register as a dog sitter and get paid for pet sitting dogs, earning between $80 and $100 per day. You may earn anywhere from $80 to $100 each night by watching someone else's dog, and you can earn hundreds of dollars every week by babysitting someone's cat. Now coming in at number 6 is none other than Amazon. Amazon currently sells practically every product you can imagine. However, Amazon isn't only a place to purchase your favorite items. It's also a place where you may earn profit. Here are 3 options for doing so. Amazon Mechanical Turk is the first option. Mechanical Turk is similar to Upwork in that it allows you to work from home. It's a venue where enterprises outsource work that's too challenging for a computer system to do, such as audio editing and transcription, interpreting audio and video between languages, testing websites, writing feedbacks, and a variety of other solutions. Working on a few various tasks can pay you as much as $20 to $30 an hour. The second option is called Amazon Kindle Publishing, which allows you to put your ideas into an ebook and start earning money right away. When you buy an ebook from Amazon, both Amazon and the publisher profit, and you may profit as well. The only problem with Kindle Publishing is that you must first have a book for sale. However, you have the option of writing the story yourself or hiring someone to do that for you. Isn't it fantastic? And finally, the third option is the Associates program. Simply sign up for the Amazon Associates program, which is easy, and then choose from thousands of items on Amazon to offer on your site and promote. Amazon will provide you with a unique URL and will pay you a percentage if anybody buys something through your site. TakeLessons is number 7. TakeLessons is a platform where you can teach anyone any subject you want. Everybody has a skill that they can offer, whether it's a trade, a skill to bake, and an ability to play the violin, or a talent to solve a complicated mathematical equation. Anything you believe somebody might not know, you can train them and start getting profits. Number 8. Fiverr. You've likely heard of Fiverr since it's an easy way to start generating money online. If you've not heard of it, it's a freelancing website where you can outsource almost everything. As the name suggests, there are plenty of services that are offered starting at $5. To mention a few, there are a plethora of methods to profit from Fiverr. You can work on graphics, logo design, marketing, online and mobile design, social sites design, Adobe editing, architectural and flooring design, and much more. Everything that can be outsourced may almost certainly be found on Fiverr. Drop shipping is ranked number 9. Drop shipping is when you offer somebody else's product for a tiny profit without having to deal with delivery. As a result, you're essentially operating as a dealer or a middleman. You may achieve this by first creating a Shopify store and then connecting it to Oberlo. Oberlo is a Shopify integrated tool that many people use to find stuff to sell on their websites. Drop shipping is based on the idea that you open a store or other channel where customers may buy your products. Once someone has purchased anything from you, you give the manufacturer a fraction of what you paid for it and have it shipped directly to the client, all without handling the item. Several videos on YouTube will walk you through the process of setting up your business, locating items, promoting, sourcing ambassadors, and eventually delivering and receiving payments. It's a little bit difficult to get started, especially in the early stages, but worry not because it will all be worth it in the end, as drop shipping may help you turn a profit. And finally, last on our list is Clickbank. Clickbank is an online platform where product developers and affiliates may offer their programs or services to clients from all over the world. Only digital items are sold on Clickbank. The benefit of Clickbank, though, is that the royalty payout is far bigger than that on Amazon. Simply go to Clickbank, find anything to offer, and earn some money. Some affiliates pay up to 75% for selling their products, while others offer as little as 5%. As you may be aware, passive income may improve your life significantly. Therefore, spending time and money is strongly encouraged. At the very least, give it your all to spend a few hours and some money in securing your destiny. Insanity is defined as making the same mistake over and over again. So, what would you be if you worked for 4 decades at the same job in the same position, earning the same rate with no promotion? You are the only one who can solve it. With that stated, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you want to elevate your life from the one that you currently have to the one you desire and deserve, make sure to click the subscribe button right now. This has been the one and only WealthMatic, and see you on our next video.